calling all Christians. I'm back again with a new mosaic. Look what the devil's doing to you this time. Now I know at least 1,000 fathers, pastors, reverends, you name it. I know they see this. Wherever they're at, I know they see the devil creating a new sky right up over their holy heads. Now why can't they get together and put an end to this madness? Why? What's going on with is Christendom just dead? Can I just put a fork in it? Can the devil just put his fork in Christendom? Because this is beyond ridiculous. It's beyond the pale, people. I'm not a preacher. I can't do nothing about this. But somebody's got to say something. I'll get behind any good God-fearing man who's willing to say something about this. Is that God's son or is that the devil's fire? Which one is it? God damn it. Yeah, I'm going to end with that. God damn it. How about that? Till I see something coming from that ilk, it's God damn it from now on. This is ridiculous.